I'm always giving 100, don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing, I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
How you guys doing today? So I'm not a professional mechanic, nor a pro racer, nor am I trying to be one. These are the things that I've learned throughout the years playing around with my cars. The video is for information only, so take this information at your own will. I'm not responsible for anything that you've done to your personal vehicle. With that being said, let's get to the video. Let's go ahead and remove this panel. We got a 10 mil here, clip here, clip here. We got a 10 mil here, 10 mil here, 10 mil here. And a clip here, clip here, clip here, clip here. And then do that for the both sides so we get this exposed. Okay, so we got the panel down. This panel down. 14, 14, 17, 17. And let's open it up. Okay, we got everything out. This one, remove the metal bracket and just slide it through. So here's the new sway bar, the Cusco thick one, and here's the bracket for it. So you see how it goes like this. The curved part goes on top. So eventually you want to bring it up here and kind of like that, okay? And then same goes with this one. So we're gonna mount this in, put this into that, and I'm gonna put some lube on there as well. Lube right here, so that way it'll be nice and smooth going in and out. It doesn't provide lube, but I do it anyways for all of my cars on the bushing part. And then it says this part is 78 Newton meter, which is 57 foot-pound, and the ends will be 55 foot-pound, which is 75 Newton meters. So torque 57, torque 55, according to Cusco. Let's install that right now. Okay, we're all set. 55, torque down and mark. 57, torque down and marked. 57, torque down and mark. 55 right here. And then we're gonna bolt everything back up, put all the clips back on, and we should be good with our new Cusco sway bar. Pretty easy job.